What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys something really cool. So Fanatical reached out to me and they said we have the perfect bundle for your audience, and then when I took a look at it I was like, yeah, that's true. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you this awesome bundle. You can get this bundle right after we finish this video because I first want to show you how it exactly works, because I'm pretty sure that a lot of you are familiar with like Humble Bundle and getting your Vegas copies and stuff on there. So this is kind of the exact same thing. So we're going to also run a giveaway to 3 people that left a comment. So make sure to leave a comment down below in order to enter. We're going to release that very soon who won. But for now, guys, I'm going to show you how this exactly works. So if you click on the link in the description after this video, you will land on the home page. And right here, what you want to do in the search bar at the top, you want to type in Vegas Pro Bundle. Now, this one is going to show up right here. This one says the Content Creator Bundle Vegas Pro 19 Edition. As you can tell right here, we have a huge discount from $439 to only $22.29. But this is not only when you get Vegas Pro 19. You get a lot more. Right underneath it, it says what you will actually get. So right here, obviously you will get Vegas 19 Edit. You will get the Vegas Music Maker. Those are all like add-ons and extensions that you can get and that you will get for free when you purchase this pack. So the one that I'm the most excited about is the Smoky Light and the Minimal Blast. So when you place your order, obviously you will create an account where you can see all your orders, your order history. So once you have finalized your order, you can go to your account settings right here and you can click on Order History and Keys. So then it shows your entire order history. So you click on View Order and Keys. Right here, as you can tell, we have the entire bundle ready for us to activate with the serial numbers. We have the downloads right here. So right here on Vegas Pro 19 Edit, we're going to click on Reveal Key. And then there is a button that shows up underneath it that says Extras. We're going to hit on that and then it says Mixed. So we're going to click on that and then we're going to obviously download the Vegas Pro 19 installer. And then we can use this serial code to authorize the software. So as you can tell, we can choose what we want to install. I would actually recommend installing the deep learning models while you're at it. Then we're going to hit continue. So now this is going to take a couple minutes depending on how fast of a machine you have. So I'm just going to time lapse this and I'll come back to you when this is all finished. You just want to hit copy right here on this button so we can copy our serial number. Then we're going to boot up Vegas Pro 19. This is pretty much where we will authorize the software. So we're going to press Control V right here. That will show us that it's a correct serial number. We're going to fill out our email address, which is also very important. And then it's going to ask you to quickly log in into your Magix Service Center. So when you finalize your registration, as you can tell, thank you, the program has been successfully installed. We're going to hit OK. And now we have successfully installed Vegas Pro 19. And now it's time to dive into all the other things that we got, obviously, when we purchased this bundle. Isn't that crazy for just $25? And if you need help with activating a Vegas Pro 19, as you can tell right here, there is a product questions tab where obviously it will show you how to install it, how to fill in the serial number, how to activate Vegas Pro. It's really cool. All right, so now we are in Magix Music Maker 2024. So to authorize all the other stuff in our bundle, we're going to hit the store icon, which is right here. And then we're going to look for the pack that is included. I just chose Smoky Light, for example. As you can tell, the price went down to 0 because obviously we already paid for it. And then we need to obviously fill in our password from our Magic account just to confirm. There we go. So now, as you can tell, we have our product registered. That works exactly the same for all the other ones in our bundle. As you can tell right here, we are in sound pools. So in order to activate them, just type in the title of the product in your bundle. And then you want to authorize it this way. So that is how simple it is, guys. This is an insane pack of value for your money. For only $25, you get Vegas Pro 19 Edit, the full version. You get Magix Music Maker 2024, the entire version, and a whole lot of packs from the Sound Pools feature. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for the continued support. Make sure to check out the link down in the description. Don't sleep on this deal because this deal is not going to be permanent. It is just a temporary discount. So make sure that you get this bundle while you're at it. That's all I have for you guys today. And I'll catch you guys, obviously, in the next video.